Last week, I posted this video as a short with the caption, "This is IMVU." The point of the video was to showcase the near accurate lip synchronization that, to the best of my knowledge, isn't really a thing on IMVU at the moment. I've seen even more accurate lip sync videos with IMVU avatars, of course, but the root technology behind them wasn't native to IMVU. So that's what we're looking at in this video: how to produce lip sync content within IMVU. Of course, the steps discussed in this video are not limited to lip synchronization. They can be used for expressions, idle animations, chatter, and so forth, provided it involves a face that moves. To do this for IMVU, you're first going to need the facial landmarker tool, which will allow us to convert a video with a face at the center to ARKIt animation data in CSV format. Face landmarker is not a Blender add-on, but rather a standalone tool. Once the tool is downloaded, run the executable file. Type Y and press the Enter key to capture head movement. Do the same if you want symmetrical eyeball movement capture. You will then be prompted to select a video file containing the face data. Ensure your video captures the face in consistent motion, no abrupt cuts, and so forth. Give the processor time to generate the animation data. Once it's done, open a blank Blender scene or an existing one if the face capture is to be part of an existing animation. Install the ARKit CSV animation importer add-on for Blender if you haven't already. Import the ARKit head FBX into the Blender scene. Open the Shape Key CSV tab from your side panel. Sync your FPS settings with the FPS of your video. Click Browse CSV to load the CSV generated by the facial landmarker, which should be in the same folder as the video file by default. For head movement, select the armature, then select the head bone. Lastly, with the head object selected, click Import Animation. Adjust the frame range to capture the desired portion of the animation. Preview your animation. Select the head object, shift select the armature, then export as FBX. Make sure while exporting that Add Leaf Bones is unchecked and that your export is limited to selected objects only. In IMVU Studio, derive from an empty clothing product. Import your FBX, uncheck Mesh and Materials, leaving only the action and morph. Review and import. Create a new action, set its type to avatar, load the XAF and XPF files in the skeletal and morph animation sections, click Preview, and play your animation to see the result. Make sure you are using an ARKit head to preview your animation, or else you won't see the results. A few ARKit heads can be found in the description. If you want only the morph animation, all you have to do is open the action data with the configure option and revert the skeletal animation to default. And that's how ARKit facial animations are made. As you can see, the process is straightforward. Be sure to leave your questions in the comments. Thank you for watching, and here is to more 3D videos.